In this video, I'll show you how to remove people or any unwanted object from an image in just a few seconds using Photoshop. First, duplicate the layer. Now, select the Quick Selection tool or any other selection tool and make a selection around the object you want to remove. Next, go to Select, Modify, Expand, and expand the selection slightly. Then, go to Edit, Content Aware, Fill. Adjust the settings according to your preference and click OK. Now press Ctrl+D to deselect. If there's still something left, you can simply repeat the process. And that's it. Here's the before and here's the after. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.